In this video, I'll go over the steps you need to take to transfer your Chase points to United Airlines. So there are 7 steps. First, gonna log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards account and click on the Transfer Points tab. Then select the option to transfer points to one of the Chase airline and hotel transfer partners. Now find United Airlines in the list of partners and enter your United Airlines Mileage Plus account number. Enter the number of points you want to transfer to United Airlines, then review the transfer details, ensure everything is correct, and finally confirm the transfer request. It is important to note that Chase Ultimate Rewards points transfer to United Airlines at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 Chase point equals 1 United mile. Transfers are typically processed instantly, but it may take up to 48 hours for the points to show up in your United Airlines account. So now you know how to transfer your Chase points to United Airlines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.